Good morning students. So in today's class we are going to revise the lesson number 7, that is Indian lifestyles. Indian lifestyles. So basically in this lesson first we will discuss about the food of different regions. So next about the clothes worn in different regions. Clothes worn in different regions. Okay, so these are the two main topics in this lesson that we are going to study in today's class. Okay, so see here, first you know that people in different states they eat different kinds of different types of food, as well as they wear different kinds of dresses as well. Okay, so the type of food one eats depend upon the landform, about the climate and the crops that grown in the region he or she lives in. So it is totally different that uh, yes, in Karnataka we used to eat wheat, is it wheat and so many things, because that particular food or that particular crop is grown in our states, and it is easily available. It is easily available in our region because it depends on the climate. It depends on the climate that whatever we are going to grow in our region. Okay. So the some of the major food grains that people eat in different regions. Some of the first one is the North India. So in North India we grow wheat, and next in East India we grow rice, and next South India we grow rice as well. Next in Rajasthan we wear millets and wheat, and in hilly areas. In hilly areas we wear maize. Next in coastal areas we wear rice. So like this we grow various types of crops in different states. So in people of India also eat pulses. Hoda? So people of India we also eat pulses. Next, vegetables, fruits. Right? So we eat fruits, vegetables, pulses as well as. So pulses like dal, arhar, urad, moong and masoor. Okay, all of these pulses are eaten all over the country. And next if we discuss about the food of different regions, the first one is about food grains and pulses. So mainly in North India, wheat is grown in large quantity, and also it is called as the staple food of the people who lives in the North India. Okay, so mainly by the wheat, what you can prepare chapatis. Chapatis are made from wheat flour and eaten with cooked pulses and vegetables. Of course, you cannot eat only chapati because and as well as you need some pulses or vegetables with chapatis. And it's in Uttar Pradesh, in Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. These are the some leading producer of wheat and sugar. Okay, so in large quantity, the wheat and sugar in large quantity can grow in Uttar Pradesh, in Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Okay. So next if we talk about Eastern India, in Eastern India milk-made dishes are popular. Yes, milk-made dishes like for example rasgullas, sandesh, cham cham, all these products, all these dishes are made from the milk, which are very famous in the Eastern India. Okay. So rice and fish curry is the staple diet of the people of Eastern India. Eastern India, in the sense, we can say Kolkata. Okay, in Kolkata you can see fish and rice. It is the staple food of those area. And next is southern states. In southern states, idli, dosa, sambar, uttapam, stew, rasam, and a paisam. These are some common dishes in southern states, and rice is also an important part of their diet. And next is people who lives in the North India. They prefer to eat wheat, okay, makke ki roti, and commonly eaten in the eastern and southern states like makke ki roti and sarson ka saag. Sarson ka saag and makke ki roti are the very popular dishes in Punjab. Okay, and next Indian food is different from the rest of the world. Of course, if we compare our India with the other world, our Indian food is very different, and also there are so many varieties. Only taste and also in cooking method. Not only in the taste, but also it is very different in the cooking method. Okay. So, except these pulses, we also eat vegetables and fruits. Some fruits are seasonal and some fruits are available throughout the year. Is it? And next, if we talk about vegetables, besides food grain, India also produces a large variety of vegetables and fruits. Of course, our India produces a large quantity of or quality of fruits and vegetables. Farmers in different states grow different types of fruits and vegetables. These fruits and what vegetables are also available seasonally and according to the season of a particular region. Okay, so some fruits and vegetables are seasonal, where some are available throughout the year. Some of the fruits are seasonal like mango, grapes, oranges. These kind of fruits are seasonal, and some of the fruits like banana. Yes, it is the fruit which can available throughout the year. And for example, we get mangoes only in summer. See here. So mangoes, in which season you can get the mangoes? Only in summer. And grapes in winter. You can see the grapes in winter. And we get banana. And apple. Banana and apple throughout the year. Throughout the year. Okay. So mainly mangoes ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ summer ಒಳಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ, grapes winter ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. Okay. Next ಈ banana and apple ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ throughout the year ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. Okay. And Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are famous for apples. Mostly apples ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿತಾರ? Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಳಿತಾರ, as well as Jammu and Kashmir. ಜಮ್ಮು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಒಳಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಬೆಳಿತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಗ್ಪುರ್ ಇನ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಈಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ನೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆರೆಂಜಸ್. ಆರೆಂಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾವ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ನಾಗ್ಪುರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾವ. ಆರೆಂಜಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ನಾಗ್ಪುರ್. Nagpur, where it is Nagpur? Nagpur comes in the state Maharashtra. Maharashtra ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಗೋವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇರಳ ಒಳಗ coconuts ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. Okay, ಗೋವಾ and ಕೇರಳ. ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಹೆಚ್ಚ coconut. coconut ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿತಾರ. Okay, next Alphonso mangoes are grown in Ratnagiri. Alphonso mangoes ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಅವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ನಮಗ ರತ್ನಗಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಗೋವಾ and Kerala are famous for coconuts. Fruits and vegetables are transported from place to place where they are grown to all over the country. So no matter where we live, we can get all types of fruits and vegetables. It doesn't matter in which state we are living, in which country you are living. You can get easily all kinds of fruits and vegetables in all seasons. Okay, so it doesn't mean, see, mango ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾನೆಚ್ಚು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮತ್ತು ಬನಾನಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಳಿತಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಮತ್ತು ಬನಾನಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಂತ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತವ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so that's about vegetables and fruits. Next, if we talk about spices. Next, about spices. You know that various types of spices to make food tasty and add flavor. Mainly spices ಅನ್ನ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to give the taste and ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಟು ದಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫುಡ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆಳಿತಾರ. That's because our India is famous for the spices in all over the world. It is ಜಗತ್ತೊಳಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಳ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಐತಿ, ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ. Okay, because those spices add taste, flavor and color to the food. And some of the popular spices in our India are chili. First one is chili, clove. Okay, next turmeric and pepper, next ginger and cardamom. These are the some different types of spices which are available in our India, and these spices add extra flavor and color and taste to the food. And India is famous for the spices in all over the world, and that's about spices. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about the cooking oil. Okay, see here. Cooking oil. So you know that we use various types of cooking oil in our cooking. Like the oil is used in cooking differs from one place to another. Actually, the cooking oil is different from one state to another state. In our Karnataka state and in Maharashtra state, we use groundnut oil and sunflower oil as a cooking oil. But if you go Kerala side, they use what is that? They use this coconut oil as a cooking oil. But in our state, we use this coconut oil as our hair oil, is it? So in that state, they use coconut oil as their cooking oil. So this oil is used in cooker, different from place to place another. And some of the cooking oils used in India are mustard oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, next groundnut oil, and last one is coconut. Okay, all these oils are used for the cooking purposes, and also these oil are famous. Okay, next if we talk about milk, you know that milk is said to be a complete food because it is having all kinds of nutrients which are very necessary for our body, and we Indians prefer milk and milk products. Our Indians most of the time they prefer milk and milk products like such as curd, paneer, ghee and butter. Okay, so next tea and coffee, you know that tea and coffee are also grown in hilly regions like Assam, Nilgiri and Kerala. Okay, So next, you know that we also wear different kinds of clothes in different states. You know that in Rajasthan, people wear chudidar with kurta and achkan, and of course they use the turban to protect their head from the heat. And in South India, they wear lungi and vesti. In Andhra Pradesh, they wear dhoti shirt, trouser shirts, and also girls wear their blouse and pavadai. And in Tamil Nadu, they wear vesti and lungi shirt as well. In Karnataka, men wear shirt, dhoti and peta. Women wear sari, kupsa and pagdai. And in West Bengal, the men wear dhoti, kurta, and women wear sari blouse. And people who lives in Kashmir wear salwar kameez and pirans. So these are the some different dresses who wear in different states. There are also some clothes which are worn by the people on special occasions, like on the marriages, festivals, people wear formal dresses and also they used to wear jewelries. Okay, and this includes like silk sarees, suits with ties, sherwani, etc. And women wear gold and silver jewelries with the traditional motif. Okay, and many Indian clothes like Banarasi sarees, Kanchivaram sarees, Pashmina shawls, Patola sarees, chicken kurtas, Rajasthani lehengas. These are all the famous clothes which are worn all over the world. Okay. So this is about the revision lesson number 7, Indian lifestyle. Okay, and here the whole syllabus of this semester is completed. In tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, I will send you the worksheets on a particular lessons. So just write down the worksheets by taking the printout of it. Otherwise, you can write it in your rule paper as well. Okay. So yes, this is it for today. We will continue in the tomorrow's class.